Guys, naalala nyo, di ba? Lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo is it budgeted yung isang bagay? I don't really just say na, oy, magtipid ka, mag-save ka, and just save mindlessly. The more we talk about, is it budgeted? It's because, pag is it budgeted yung tinatanong mo sa sarili mo, is linaan mo yung pera mo or bawat piso mo to something that you feel is valuable for you. Diba? For example, is that peso going to an experience, a thing that you really love, or is it something that you really enjoy? Compared to like, lagi ka lang nagsisave, lagi ka lang nagtitipid. Kaya nga parang ayoko yung sinasabi na magtipid ka lang, forever ka magtipid. It's because if lagi ka lang nagtitipid, di ba parang you take out the joy in life or the experiences that you might want to feel, that you might want to experience habang bata ka ba. Unlike, di ba, why I always just remind you, is it budgeted? Because kung budgeted mo siya, for example, if you want to splurge on an experience, you want to splurge on this little thing, basta budgeted mo, pasok siya doon sa alam mong pinaglalaanan mo ng piso. Rather than just saving na paminsan, ang problema kasi kung lagi ka na nagsasave is baka mamaya hindi mo naman na-enjoy buhay mo. Remember, you have to balance it out. Hindi mo porket save ka lang ng save, dami mo nga pera, hindi mo naman na-enjoy yung buhay mo. Kailan mo enjoy yung pera mo? Diba? That's why it's better to just say na budgeted pa rather than, hoy, magtipid ka lang. I think that's one thing that I want to remind everyone na is it budgeted versus magtipid ka lang mindlessly na basta nagtitipid ka lang tapos kinukuripot mo sarili mo, hindi mo na na-enjoy buhay mo. I don't think that's good naman. Kaya nga, is it budgeted? Budget the things that makes or brings you joy in your life. Yun lang.